Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we're gonna continue with the unit number 9. In order to do this, we're gonna start with the first topic, which is a reading topic. Let's see. In the first exercise we have read the survey results. Who do you think is the happiest? Okay, so over here we have this lecture that is called How Happy Are You? So you're gonna have to read this lecture and answer the question. Okay, do it, and when you finish, we'll continue. You done? Great job. Now let's continue with the exercise 2 that says complete the sentences for yourself and then tell your partner who do you think is happier. Okay, in this exercise we have these sentences. I'm looking forward to, I want to, I need to. So you're gonna complete the sentences for yourself. What is something that you want? What is something that you need? And then you're gonna call your classmates and you're gonna compare your answers. And later you're gonna decide who you think is the happiest from your classmates. All right? Do it, and when you finish, we'll continue. All right, well done. Now, moving on, we have our first grammar topic of the unit, which is called verb patterns. So let's take a look to the explanation of the topic. When we have certain types of verbs, like for example hope, we normally write another verb next to it because we hope something happen. For example, I hope to get better soon. This is the correct way to say hope and then another verb. You cannot say I hope getting better soon. No, when you say hope, the next verb must be in infinitive. But if we have another verb like enjoy, this is another verb that you can use next to another verb. You can say, I enjoy finishing the semester with good grades. So you can say this, but you cannot say, I enjoy to finish the semester with good grades. This is incorrect. When you say enjoy, you must use the next verb in ing. And when you say hope, you must use the next verb in infinitive form. All right? Now, let's take a look. If you use the verb hope, the next verb must be in infinitive. What is infinitive? Remember, when you have the word to and then the verb in base form. To do, to be, to say. But when you use the verb enjoy, the next verb must be in gerund. That is the same as the ing form. All right? And these are not the only verbs. If you use the verb hope, or you can also use the verb decide, need, or want, all of these verbs, the next verbs are gonna be in infinitive. But if you use the verb enjoy, or stop, looking forward to, or waste time, the next verb must be in gerund. Let's take a look to some examples of this. For example, if you use the word need and you write a sentence, we need to complete the exercise. Complete has to be in infinitive form. This is correct because we're using the word need. You cannot say we need completing because it's not infinitive, it's gerund. So this is incorrect. All right. Then if we choose one verb from here, like waste time, we can write a sentence like you waste your time playing video games, and this is correct. You are saying waste your time and playing is in gerund, but you cannot say you waste your time to play video games. This is incorrect because you cannot say you waste your time to play because this is not gerund. All right, and that's it about this topic. You need to remember that these verbs are followed by an infinitive verb and these verbs are followed by a gerund verb. If you remember that, this topic is gonna be super easy for you. Okay, now let's take a look to some exercises of this topic. The first one, they tell us underline the correct structure, refer to the examples in the question area above if necessary. Let's see, for example, we say that if you use the word hope, the next verb has to be in infinitive. That's why it's I hope to get a new job soon. So choose the correct option from these sentences, and when you finish, we're gonna check them. Alright? If you finish, let's check the answers. In the letter B, it says I want. When we use the verb want, is the next verb in ing or in infinitive? In infinitive, very good. I want, here it is, to. I want to travel around the world. Then enjoy, we said that it was gonna be with the gerund form. That's why it's speaking. I enjoyed speaking English. Need, we said that need is with infinitive again. I need to spend more time at home. Then the letter E says, I never waste time worrying or to worry about the future. Waste time. Or here we have the waste time is with ing, so worrying. And finally, I'm looking forward to going out or go out. Looking forward to going out. Yes, very good. All right, then we have a question. Are any sentences true for your partner? You're gonna ask these questions to find out. So you're gonna call your classmates and you're gonna check if these sentences are true for them. And when you finish, we'll continue. All right, now the last exercise of this topic says, use the same verb structures to write more sentences that are true for you. Compare them with your partner. So what you're gonna do here is that you're gonna write on your notebook 6 sentences that are true for you, like the ones in exercise 1. All right, so these sentences with hope, want, enjoy, need, you're gonna write them, but you're gonna change this verb and the complement so that the sentences are true for you. For example, if you say I want, what is something you want to do? Maybe you want to go to the beach, so you can say I want to go to the beach. All right, maybe you need to drink water, so I need to drink water. All right, remember to use a correct structure. Do it, and when you finish, we'll continue. Now, moving on, we have the reading and speaking topic. The first exercise says, work with a partner. Imagine you are describing your country to some people from another country. What would you say about the topics in the box? Imagine that you have a friend who is not from Mexico and that doesn't know a lot of this country. So what will you tell them about the beaches, the capital city, the food, the historic sites, the mountains, the people? For example, you can say that people in Mexico are very kind, that the food is very tasty, all right? Discuss with your classmates, what would you tell them? Okay? Now, in the exercise number 2, we have read and complete the text with words from the box in exercise 1. All right, so here we have this little lecture, but we are missing some phrases or words that we have over here. So you must read it and complete it. When you're done, we'll continue. Very good. Now, continuing with the exercise number 3, it says, think about the following places. Tell your partner about them, give details. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna call your classmates and you're gonna tell them a place where you've been on vacations and would like to return to. For example, if you have gone to Mexico City or to Guanajuato, tell them about your vacation and why you would like to return. Then you're gonna tell them about another vacation, but that you will not like to return to. Maybe because it was a boring vacation, or because it was stressful, or it was not very interesting. A place that you went to, but you wouldn't like to return to. And finally, you're gonna talk about a place where you haven't been on vacation, but would like to visit. Maybe you would like to visit Cancun, or maybe you would like to visit Veracruz. I don't know, one place that you haven't gone to, but you would like to visit. Okay, so you're gonna discuss with your classmates these 3 statements, and when you finish, we'll continue. All right, for the last topic of today, we have listening. The first exercise, it says, listen to interviews with people on vacation in Thailand. Complete the statements with the correct names. Okay, I'm gonna play an audio, and here we have some sentences which are missing the subject. The subject can either be Kai and Ramiro, Cindy, or Hans. So these are the options that you have to complete these sentences. So I'm going to play the audio. Pay attention, here it goes.
Track 22.
Welcome to the vacation station. We start off with a report from Thailand. For this report, we spoke to tourists on the beach in Ao Nang in the south of Thailand. We asked them what they were doing in Thailand. First, we spoke to Kay and Ramiro.
We're on our honeymoon, and we're staying in the Rayavati Hotel. It's wonderful. They put rose petals in our bathtub.
Next week we want to go to the north. I want to go trekking in the jungle, and Kay wants to take a cooking class. We both love Thai food, so I think it's a great idea.
Then we spoke to Cindy. I'm on vacation and I'm taking a scuba diving class. I like swimming in the ocean, so I spend most of my day on the beach. And then in the evening, I go shopping. I have a store back home in Sydney, so I'm always looking for things to take back there. Finally, we spoke to Hans.
I'm living here right now. I come from Germany, but I've rented a house here for 6 months because I'm writing a novel. I think Thailand is a perfect place to live. It's cheap, hot, and inspiring. My girlfriend isn't very happy about it, though. I have a dog in Germany, and she has to stay at home and take care of it.
All right, could you get the answers? Let's check it all together. Well done. All right. Now, for the last exercise of today, we have replace the names in exercise 1 with the names of students in the class. Make as many true sentences as you can. Ask questions to help you. All right, so what you're gonna do here is that instead of writing Cindy, Kay, Ramiro, or Hans, you're gonna use the names of your classmates. You're gonna say Alexis, Maritza, Josue, America. And you're gonna try to guess who likes swimming in the ocean, who has a dog, who goes shopping in the evening, and you're gonna complete these sentences but with their names. But you can ask your classmates these questions so that you can help yourself. For example, if you don't know if one of your classmates has a dog, you can ask, hey, do you have a dog? And like that, you're gonna be able to finish this exercise, all right? When you finish, guys, this is gonna be it for today's class. I hope that you understood everything and see you tomorrow. Take care. Goodbye.